Hi everyone, so here is an important update for all those who appear for XAT 2021 and were expecting calls from XLRI, both the programs, that is BM and HRM. Right, so just before a few minutes the shortlist has been published, and then many students who have got 99 plus percentile, they were complaining that they have got only HRM call but BM but not the BM call, or they have got BM call but not the HRM call, when they have really good percentile and the good profile. So when I spoke to many other students, and there are other news, of course this is not officially confirmed, but then there is a big glitch in the results or the shortlist that they have published. It looks like while transferring the data, some part of the data is missing, and because of that they are not able to showcase the comprehensive list. So I request all those who were expecting call from XLRI, just hold on guys, the glitches will be removed tomorrow, it looks like. And yes, you will find updated shortlist once again tomorrow. So this is what we have come to know from unofficial sources. So please stay tuned to this channel Unacademy CAT for more information, but please be rest assured that things will be sorted out. You are not the only one, the others have also the others are also facing the similar problem. So once again, just to quickly tell you, my name is Ronak Shah and you're watching me on this Unacademy CAT channel. Please make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. In fact, you can also be part of my Telegram group. It is Unacademy_Ronak Shah. In fact, if you are planning to repeat your exams in CAT 2021 or 2022, or if you are going to take a fresh, definitely you can prepare with Unacademy platform. We are conducting plenty of daily lives on our YouTube channel for all the subjects and all the exams. So keep learning with us. In the meantime, make sure all of you have subscribed to this channel, that is Unacademy CAT and Unacademy CAT for MBA. Keep learning with us and let's crack it. Thank you.